declared as the first Indian to be elected as Fellow of Trinity, and he was also second Indian person to be offered fellowship in Royal Society, as he belonged to a poor family. Although he has achieved a great status in as well as in nation as well as in world, that he has got a status in Royal Society. And in memory of him, a museum is situated in Chennai, as he was from Madras. So the museum is in Chennai. He has it. The museum contain all the mathematician, all the his all what he has contributed towards mathematics for all of us, like mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite services, continued fractions he had done. And G.H. Hardy, he had a very good role in Srivastava Ramanujam's life, as he had at Trinity University. He was the only one who took Ramanujam to the Trinity University in England and recognized his work as an extraordinary work. He says that he had done an extraordinary work and had produced groundbreaking new theories, including some that defeated my own theories as well. He says that he has taken out the limitations and the merits, demerits from my own theories. So his work should be showcased and he must be recognized in the world. So as one of the main amazing fact about him was that he had no friend in his school life. And you know why he has no school friend? Because he was so interested in mathematics, and at that ancient time people were not so interested in mathematics. Nowadays also some of the students are not interested in mathematics, as they think mathematics is a boring subject and why to involve your mind in that thing. But all the time he was involved in that thing only. So all the people around him thinks that he is just a boring guy, so why to have a friendship with him? And I found something about Ramanujan was that as he was poor, so he had no money to buy the paper, as at that time paper was so expensive. And nowadays, so we as well as children are using paper, as we are getting it so easily. And that time the paper was so expensive, so he used to write all the theories, all the derivations which he derives on a slate. I hope you all know about the slate thing. So he used to do that thing on the slate, and as he finds some derivation, something interesting, then only he used to write that thing on paper. So he do so much of uh, savage also, so that he had not have to waste the money as well as not the paper. And in memory of Ramanujam, I just want to say that he discovered so much, and yet he has left so much more in his garden for other people to discover. So it's we and our future generation who has to discover more in mathematics. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Iqra Rahman. It was really very enlightening, and you have elaborated in detail about this great mathematician.